I'm sharing my screen. So all of you new to Power BI, or are you already familiar with Power BI?
Yeah, I'm pretty much familiar with the Power BI.
Okay. But the training will start from the basics of Power BI. Is that okay?
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen, all of you?
Yeah, we can see.
So what is data analytics? Any idea? Data analytics is the process of extracting or discovering useful information which can help in business decision making. Suppose if we have TV washing machine sales business, how do we know in which branch we need to increase the stock, which branch we need to decrease the stock? So how can we know these things? Which products are selling more? How can we find come to know all these things? No idea. We need to take at least recent 3 months data or 4 months data, and we need to analyze. Just by looking at the yesterday's and today's data, we cannot take any decision. We need to analyze at least recent 3 months data. Understanding?
Yes, Chandrasekhar.
Suppose in one branch sales is more, in another branch sales is less. In which case we need action plan? Do we need planning when sales is less or when sales is more? I am asking a question. When do we need planning? Do we need
Both the
when
cases.
sales is less or when sales
Both
is
the
more?
cases.
Yeah, in both the cases we need planning, because when sales is more, what we have to do? We need to increase the collection so that we can get more business and more profits. When sales is less in a branch, we have to try to increase the sales by attracting the customers. So we can give discounts, offers, free gifts. So we can do something to increase the sale. So like that, in both the cases, we need planning, action plan.
Sorry to interrupt, Chandrasekhar. So, just wanted to know, can I just know your introduction that what exactly you are in data analytics?
Yeah, my name is Chandrasekhar. I have a genuine experience of 15 years in software development and training. I worked in
Mhm.
Accenture, Wipro, and Thales companies as a team lead. Currently working in Millbright, and on my own interest, I am giving trainings. I am not only a tutor; I am a working software professional.
Okay. So you are into the data analyst. So I think you already just work with data warehouse and data lake concept as well. Because initially I already told to you that I'm pretty much comfortable with the Power BI and SQL and some concept of SSIS. So I'm not in the initial stage. So I'm just looking for more. So that's why I'm asking your
That is
introduction.
why that is why I asked. You cannot get more in the first minutes only. In this class, you cannot get anything. This is for the beginners. We will start with what is Power BI, what is data analytics.
Mhm.
This session is for
Okay.
beginning.
Okay.
Okay.
So not an issue. I want to just leave this class and would like to speak you
So here is a
separately.
slide. Here is a slide for you. Demo will give just a overview. Demo will not cover
Mhm.
advanced topics, or we don't cover any
Mhm.
in-depth practical things.
Mhm. Exactly. All right.
Okay. Yeah, you can directly join the classes.
Okay.
Classes also, maybe you may want to skip few classes in the one or two, three classes in the beginning. Look at the contents, course contents. So you can start with whatever the topic you want. You can look at the PDF. Okay. Okay. Is that good? What happened? No response.
Can you ask the question again?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Your name?
My name is Jalaya.
No, just now. Who asked for advanced topic? Sikandar,
I
right?
think Sikandar, he left. Yeah, he left.
Okay, okay. Okay, leave it. So Power BI is one of the most popular data visualization and data analysis tool from Microsoft. Okay. Power BI takes input data from different data sources, different types of files and databases, and can produce beautiful reports. You can see in this diagram, Power BI is getting data from Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, SQL Server. Okay. So you can get data from all these sources. So in this course, we are covering all topics of Power BI, DAX, Power Query, Power BI Service, SQL, small project, revision class for interview, all those things. Python and Tableau and all you did not ask for, I think, right? You came for only for Power BI. So one thing I want to say clearly is everyday class, we don't go through any slides like this. Everyday class will be a practical class. We will open SQL Server, we will open Power BI, and we will work on practical examples every day. I will show you practical hands-on examples. Only in the today's first introduction, I am showing you some slides. Even today also, after the slides, I will show you practical example. Is that clear? Everyday class will be practical class. So in this slide, I am showing the sequence of activities we will follow for creating visualizations using Power BI desktop. Okay. Left side, you can see different types of files and databases. First step, even before going to Power BI, you need to verify the data at the source level using SQL. So all of you know what is a database, what is a table. Any of you don't know what is the database, table and all? Do you know or you don't know? What is a table, what is a database?
I have a very fundamental knowledge, but
Okay, okay.
uh,
So yeah, please try to ask, interact, please try to ask questions. So why we are taking the session means I should ensure that you are understanding, and you should have an idea that how I am explaining. If both are not happening, no use of the session. You should know about me, I should know about you. So try to interact. I will show you what is a database. See, database is a systematic collection of data. Database contains multiple tables. Each table contains columns and rows of data. So I have given a product table example. In this product table, how many rows we have?
Rows, rows are some 7, 8.
8 by
Columns are
3.
3.
7 rows, and product ID, name and price are the 3 columns. So second step, there is a Power Query editor in Power BI. Using Power Query editor, we will edit the data as per our project requirement. Third step, we need to create relations between the tables. So now we understand about what is a table, what is a data. In, do you know what is the relation between the tables? Any of you? No idea?
No, 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 Mr. Shekhar. I'm very new to this field.
Okay. What about Richa, Alapati, Amulya? Who is BA? What is that name? BA? Hello. May I know your name? You displayed as BA. Relation means dependency. Wherever we have compulsory dependency, we will create a relation. Example, if I have a customer data table and sales data table, do you think customer and sales has any relation or not? Uday, customer and sales has any relation or not?
The only one who gives us sales is the customer, or at least
Yeah,
prospective.
compulsory without that means the compulsory relation. Without customers, no sales. So between customer table and sales table, there must be a relation. We must create a relation like that because there is a compulsory dependency. Next, fourth step, there is a DAX language in Power BI. DAX contains a lot of functions and operators. Using DAX functions, we can implement any kind of calculations we need in our project. For example, if you are working in banking project, what calculations we do in banking, Uday? In banking, what we will do?
Mostly summations, differentiations, integrations, right? Interest
Yeah,
calculations.
compound interest, simple interest, EMI calculations. Say 3 years
You know,
loan,
much more
how much
advanced. Yeah.
4 years loan, how much EMI, right? All those things. So actually creating visualization, that means creating bar chart or pie chart is the last and easiest step. Okay. So before that, these 4 steps are more important, and these 4 steps need more knowledge and practice. Okay. Any questions in these steps?
No.
Any of you, Richa, Alapati, Amulya, BA, all of you
Yeah, me too.
understanding?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, no questions.
So once if data is loaded into Power BI, we can create different types of visualizations using Power BI.
Can you
Let us go
maximize
into the,
Chandra?
yeah, I will show you directly in the tool. See, this is the Power BI desktop tool. Okay. Are you able to see?
Yeah, we can see.
So right side, you can see different types of visualization icons like column chart, bar chart, pie chart, ribbon chart, waterfall chart, etc. Left side, you can see three icons: report window, data window, relationships or data model window. If you want to load data, there are menu options available. If you want to load Excel data, you can click on Excel option. If you want to load SQL data, there is SQL option. Let us load sample Excel data. Click on Excel book.
Now, suppose if we want to connect to any tool like ServiceNow or some other tools, can we connect?
You
Or
can
only
connect to almost all tools in the all software tools in the world. Power BI supports everything.
oh, okay.
There is a big list of tools in Power BI. I will show you. It is loading Excel data. After loading data, right side it will display the list of columns. So click on get data. See, you have a big list of tools. You know, some tools names also I don't know. All software tools in the world it will cover. I don't know whether ServiceNow is there or not. ServiceNow you want?
I think we can search on the top.
No, ServiceNow is not there. Maybe if ServiceNow is not there, see they have given a very big list of software tools. ServiceNow they might have felt not important. I think. Okay. Or what you can do, ServiceNow data may be stored in some SQL or Excel. You can export it to Excel and load in Power BI. Okay, ServiceNow is not there. You can connect to SharePoint, you can connect to analysis services, Oracle, DB2, Netedja, and so on. Impala, Snowflake, Vertica, Azure, Dynamics, everything is there. All required software tools they have given. ServiceNow maybe you can take from the web also, directly from the website also. But we never did all this ServiceNow and all. You know, commonly used in big projects, most commonly used thing is database server, either Oracle or SQL server or MySQL. That is the mostly used in large projects.
So if the
Small
service now is not available, so we have to connect to the database of that.
ServiceNow database, you need to know about how the data is stored there,
Okay.
whether it is stored in database or Excel format. You need to know, and if it is Excel, load that Excel data.
Oh,
or
what about other tools like SCM, SCOM? So they are all we have to connect to those databases and then use it. Otherwise, like we cannot directly connect to a tool. Correct?
if it is in
We
that
have to
list,
connect.
then
We
it will
can
be
connect
connected.
only to a databases, not the tools.
No, I have shown a big list of tools, right?
Yeah,
If
but it
your
is not
tool is
showing, right? So
uh, if
I was
your tool
confused.
is in that list, all these listed tools you can directly connect. All these listed tools directly you can connect. Otherwise, you have to know how the data is stored, where the data is stored, and connect to the database.
Okay.
Too big list it is supporting, but still your tool is not there means in Power BI developer's point of view, that tool is not important, and you have to connect directly to the data. Okay.
Mr. Shekhar, are we going to see about the architecture of PB, Power BI, and everything in this class?
Sorry, architecture of.
Power BI, how the
I
data
didn't.
flows, and at what
I didn't
point,
see who is speaking. Udaya.
Udaya.
Yeah, yeah. Power BI. There will not be much architecture. Complex architecture is not there. It is a simple tool. Yes, we will see all aspects of Power BI.
Probably is asking about how to create that projects, maybe.
Yeah, yeah. Complete all activities we will cover. All project development activities. We will do a small project in the end also. And I mentioned in that contents also, right? Project. All of you seen the contents?
Is it going to be a real-time project or something of that order?
Who is taking real-time project? Same. I should have my own company, software company, if I have to. Many people are telling real-time project, but they are doing some showing some sample project only. If I connect my office laptop in Zoom meeting, they don't allow. That will be a fraud.
Yeah, it can. Yeah, it is
But
understandable.
if I am the owner of a software company, yes, I can show you. Real-time
Yeah,
project
I
is
get it.
not.
I get it.
We'll do some sample project only. Yeah. Yeah, some institutes are telling real-time, I heard. But mm, for all students, they are showing same project. They have saved one or two projects, or three projects, and same three projects which they saved, they are showing to everybody. Nothing real time. They don't have any client. Real time means there should be online client for whom we are working. So online client projects, even they don't allow Zoom meeting also in the laptop. We should not show you. So yeah, we loaded the data, right? So shall I show you some examples? But as I told, visualization is the easiest part. You can create without training also. These are the most important things. Creating relations, data models, editing using Power BI, Power Query, all these the DAX calculations. This is the most of your work. So let us take some. If you want to create a table visualization, click on the table. You can add whatever the columns you want. Table is the simplest and oldest and simplest report. You can apply formatting, colors, styles, and all. So, what is the first activity in any project? Alapati or Uday. What is the first thing we do in any project? Understanding requirements, right? So we will cover all activities right from the requirements analysis. So like this, you can create any graphics. It is easy only. Power BI developer work means, or data analyst work means, data processing, calculations, DAX. DAX is the main important part of the training. This is just displaying in the graphics. Anybody can do. You can create funnel chart. You can create scatter chart, tree map, anything. So how much time it is taking for creating, selecting the columns and displaying? Minutes only, right? But the thing is, who will give you all these columns, data columns? Nobody will give you. Some basic raw data they will give you, but it is not raw data you have to display. What you have to display? You have to calculate the compound interest or EMI, whatever examples I told. The EMI you have to calculate, compound interest you have to calculate. The calculated values you need to display, not directly selecting from the available list. Selecting and displaying you can do without training also. So you need to calculate all those values and then display in the reports. Are you understanding?
Yeah, got it, got it.
So I told there is a Power Query editor, right? Power Query editor is used for editing the data as per our requirement. Let us go to the tool only. This is Power BI tool. From this, if you want to go to Power Query editor, you have to click on the transform data. It will open the Power Query editor. So like this. There are so many menu options which are useful for your editing. You can select columns, you can select rows, you can do sorting, you can split columns, you can do grouping, aggregations, you can replace values, you can change data types. There are a lot of menu options which are useful for your data editing. Example, you need not write any program, you need not write any SQL code or any other code. Just by clicking menu option, you can do the editing. I am taking a car column, copy of this column. So if you want to split two characters, if you want to separate first two characters from this, what you have to do? Split column, number of characters to 2 you can give. Click OK. Like this. In every name, two characters are splitted. Okay. So like this, any type of editing, you can just click the menu option and get it done. And I told there is a DAX language, right? Suppose in my data, I have current salary and previous salary. If I want to calculate how much increment each employee got, I want to calculate how much increment. So you need to write a DAX formula or DAX expression. Click on the new column. So first you have to give some name to the column. Salary hike or increment. Current salary minus previous salary. This is not a big formula. Just we are subtraction. We are doing subtraction only. But if you take a insurance calculation or compound interest calculation, there will be a big formula. After writing the formula, press enter key. See, the salary hike also added in the columns list. Did you get some idea how we are calculating? And these calculated columns now you have to use in the table. Calculated columns now you have to use in the, you can use in the any report, bar chart, pie chart, table. Now what it is showing? Current salary, previous salary and increment. Most of the employees got 10,000 increment. See, few people like Adit got 5,000 increment. Devam got 5,000 increment, like that. Do you have any questions in this? Not getting any questions? Understanding? Are you understanding?
Yeah.
So which one should you learn? Power BI, Python, Tableau. So if you are not interested in coding, you can take Power BI, SQL, Tableau. So if you are new to coding and but if you are interested in coding, you can take Power BI, SQL, Python. That is your choice. Python needs coding, programming. Okay.
Is it quite complex one, to the complex level, like, where we go to classes and, objects and everything, or hoops concepts? Should we go that deeper, or fundamental level is okay in Python?
Python, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. When comparing to Power BI, yes, it is much more actually. It is much more than Power BI. Power BI is just a tool. Python, Java, .NET and all, you cannot compare with Power BI. It has a lot of features.
I'm not trying to compare. What I want to know is, till what depth of Python knowledge, one should be, looking for. Should we go to the OOPS concepts and, classes and everything, or fundamental knowledge of Python is okay?
For Power BI developer, you are asking?
Yes.
Yeah. For Power BI developer, basics of Python you can learn. But if you want to work in Python also, then you need a complete Python course also. See, some projects, some clients, they will ask you to do the analysis, data analysis in Python. Then you need complete Python skills. But that is your choice. Whether to work in Python or not, that is your interest. And I will tell about job market also. Suppose if there are 90 jobs for data analytics Power BI, out of 90, if you learn Power BI plus Python, out of 90 you can apply for 80 jobs. If you learn Power BI plus Tableau, some companies are asking Power BI plus Tableau. Some companies are asking Power BI plus Python. So if you learn Power BI plus Tableau, out of 90, you can apply for 60 jobs. Only Power BI, if you learn only Power BI, 50 jobs out of 90 you can apply. Out of 90, 50 jobs you can apply. How to apply all 90 jobs? How can you apply for all 90 jobs? You understand? You need to learn all Power BI, all Tableau, all Python, complete Python. Then only you can apply for all jobs in the market. And SQL anyway, no need to say about SQL. Any software job needs SQL knowledge. SQL is required for any of these options.
Is it only
So
SQL or MySQL or Postgres will also suffice?
same only, all are same only. If you SQL language is same SQL language is used in MySQL or SQL Server or Oracle. If you learn SQL language, same skills you can apply any tool. Any questions in this?
Hi, Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar here. I joined the link within just 10 minutes ago. Okay. Just
Your
Power BI, like what? Hello?
your voice is not clear. Interrupting. Yeah, can you
Am I audible?
audible but voice is not clear. Yeah, can you
I
repeat
joined
again?
just now. I joined just now, few minutes back.
Oh,
Okay. Are
just
you able to
now.
hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Okay, okay. Just now means 10 minutes before. So just wanted to know what sort of like what all courses you're going to cover in this Power BI. Only Power BI you're going to cover or anything else you're going to cover in this?
Yeah, I think Malti told all of you need Power BI only. If you want Python Tableau also, you are
Okay.
welcome. You can speak to Malti and I can cover. And you and you are Chandrasekhara.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yes.
are okay. Same my name only. I think Chandrasekhar,
Yeah, hi.
Dinesh, Monisha also joined lately. I think Chandrasekhar, Dinesh, and Monisha, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi Monisha. Hi Dinesh.
Hi.
Yeah, you can speak to Malati if you need other courses also. Along with Power BI, if you need Python or Tableau also, you can speak to Malti. And Python needs coding, as I shown in the previous slide. So if you are interested in coding only, you can learn Python. Little more effort is required for learning Python. When comparing to Power BI, it is little more complex. You need to put little more effort. Programming means it is needs little more practice than the Power BI.
Hello.
Yes,
Uh, like you're going to cover only Power BI in this complete course, or
that
you'll
is
cover
your choice. Your choice. I have
no.
everything. Hmm?
Okay, okay. So after this demo session, when you start course, exact the dates, and that time
Hmm.
you're going to cover only Power BI.
That is what. That is your choice. Your
No,
name?
if this Amulya,
Amulyana. Yeah.
yeah. So
Malati,
like
your
we have,
consultant. Your consultant
yeah,
asked
yes,
only for Power BI course, and I am
yes.
ready to cover Python Tableau also. If you are
No,
interested.
now we have different people in the same course, right? So they will have a like they want to learn Tableau also.
Ah, yeah,
But
yeah.
how you will
That is
cover?
possible.
You'll take
That is possible.
extra
Ah,
classes for them.
see, whoever want Python, yeah. That is possible. Different people can choose different combinations
Okay,
like this.
now we all
If
together
you
are
want Power
attending the
BI and
same class,
Python,
right?
hmm,
At the time,
but
you'll give us Power BI only.
see, after Power BI, suppose I will start Tableau. So
Mm,
whoever needs Python will get 1 week, not 1 week, few days gap. After
okay,
completing the Tableau, Python people can join.
okay.
And
What is the time
whoever,
frame we are looking now? How much time you need for Power BI and SQL? How much time you need for Tableau and how much time you need for Python?
40 days
To,
for
assuming that you
Power BI
integrate.
and SQL, and 40 days for 5.5 weeks. 5.5 weeks for Power BI SQL, 5.5 weeks for Python data analytics, two
Okay.
weeks for Excel basics and Tableau. Excel basics plus Tableau 2 weeks. That is the plan. Totally 3 months plan. Your wish. You can select whatever you want, whatever the combinations you want, because all people are not joining all 3 months. Different people are choosing Python. Different people are asking Tableau, and some people only Power BI SQL. Some people are asking.
Okay. So do you
So
run a
this
separate
course,
course on only Python data analysis? Assuming that we already come with the knowledge of Power BI and SQL, how much
uh,
time are you going to spend on Python? Let's assume that we already covered the Python basics and everything, only the integration part and the project part and everything. How much time is it going to take?
if you cover Python basics already, yeah.
Yes.
No, I don't have anything.
No, no. Let's say
Who
for
already
example,
know
I
in that,
already have
like.
no, I already have the fundamental knowledge of Python. Okay, I can
Mm,
code basically, right? But
mm,
I have
mm,
never integrated the Power BI and SQL. But I actually used to use Postgres, but I actually have fundamental doubts with integrating Python with the Power BI and SQL.
mm.
So those
I may not
concepts.
be able to. I may not be able to give any course for you because some people, example, Sikandar joined. He said he already knows some topics in Power BI. We cannot do anything.
Okay,
Whoever wants from the AB, first page, first topic, we can take course.
okay. So if I take the Python and data analysis part,
Hmm.
okay. So you'll
Hmm.
be covering it from the fundamental basics again till the advanced level,
Yeah.
where you actually show how to go, how to attach the libraries of PBI and SQL inside the
Ah,
Python.
yes. All
Uh, uh,
NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib.
okay, NumPy and Matplotlib. That's it, right?
Pandas is main.
Pandas, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
and
Those three things. NumPy,
only
Pandas,
those three,
Matplotlib.
only those three things, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. And where does the
Uh,
data
all of
analysis
you,
part comes
all
in?
of you, all of you, please go through that contents I sent it to Maluti
Okay,
and ask her. I want Python. I want Tableau. Like that, you can ask her so that we can plan. How many wants all courses? Power BI, Tableau, Python. It is not all courses. All options. How many wants Python plus Power BI? How many wants Tableau plus Power BI? You can choose accordingly. The fee structure and all will be changing.
so you're going to start the class from the 1st of July, and hopefully everything will be done before 15th of August, right? Only if you're taking Power BI and SQL.
40 days it will take only Power BI skill.
40 days, 40 working days, you mean?
No, 40 days, not working days. 40 days including in between holidays, Saturday, Sunday
Oh,
holidays.
okay, Saturday and
So
Sunday
what
off.
about, did you confirm the daily timing?
No, actually, I have rough idea.
Are you, as per my idea, Malti asked me to start immediately, but I don't know whether you are coming from July 1st or if you are coming from July 1st, immediately means immediately if you want to come, Indian morning 7 a.m. is available. If you join lately, I have to give Indian morning 8:15. All of you are in India only? All of you are in India only?
Yes.
Okay.
No,
Yes.
Who is not in India? Dinesh is not in India. Dinesh, huh? Just
Amulya
now.
is Amulya not in India.
Okay, okay. So Amulya, can you join 8:15 a.m. or 7 a.m.? 7 a.m.
Eight
means
fif-
you have to come from tomorrow or today itself. 8:15 a.m. means
mm,
maybe after a few days.
eight fifteen is
One or two
fine,
days
sir.
time. Huh?
8:15 is okay.
8:15 is okay.
Yeah.
So 8:15 a.m. whenever you are
mm,
ready.
Okay.
It can be after 2 days or 3 days or July 1st, whenever you want. This is whenever you want. 7 a.m. Whoever wants 7 a.m. should start today itself, today or tomorrow. Already introduction completed for them. I have to take you introduction and join with them, other two people.
Okay. Uh, can just check with all the people who are in this uh, class now who are attending. If they are okay, then 8:15 is fine.
8:15 a.m. Okay for all of you?
Yes.
Okay, Uday okay, Amulya okay. What about others? All party? Are you interested in 8:15 a.m.?
No, 7 a.m. Immediately, you said, right?
7 a.m. means what I will do? I will take the required introduction for join combining with 7 a.m. and you have to start immediately. 7 a.m. Are you ready?
After 2 days, right? After 2 days is okay. 8:15 a.m.
Okay, after 2 days you can come 8:15 a.m.
So after
Yeah.
2 days is first day, right? Basically.
Yeah, that we can. Yeah, maybe first or before
Okay.
also you can. I am ready. Yeah, after 2 days it is first only.
Yeah.
Yeah, July first.
Yes.
This also we can. If you are ready, we can start tomorrow also.
Tomorrow is
Your
Saturday, right? Are you going to work on Saturday?
morning classes will be Tuesday to Saturday. Saturday also I will take class. Why? Because for people like Amulya. For Amulya, our Saturday is like
Yeah, Friday for
Friday.
her.
No,
For
I'm
people like
also like, I'm just 2.5 hours ahead. I'm in Singapore, not USA.
Singapore. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So Tuesday to Saturday, okay for all of you? Or you want to Monday? Monday I will not be available. Tuesday to Saturday or Friday. But Monday I cannot take class. Monday morning because all my plans are Tuesday to Saturday. Some people, one or two people will come and join from USA. That is the problem. So Tuesday to Saturday, okay?
Okay.
So if you want to start on Saturday tomorrow, you can message me or second Tuesday. Tomorrow Saturday or second Tuesday, whenever you want. And Uday, Amulya, all party. Others also, please let me know or message me. Richa, and I'm not remembering the names. Dinesh, Monisha, Chandrasekhar. Let me know tomorrow or second Tuesday. Chandrasekhar, did you speak to Malti? Let me know whether you want to start tomorrow or Saturday. Okay, tomorrow or first. Hello, Chandrasekhar, Richa.
I can start from tomorrow.
Hello, Chandrasekhar. Hi. I'm losing you for a while, like in between it's getting disconnected. So uh,
Okay, okay.
I'll let you know it. I'll check with Malti
You did
and
not.
I'll let you
I
know.
think
Okay.
you did not attend the demo. I know, but
Sorry?
if you want, before deciding if you want one more demo, also I can give Monisha Chandrasekhar. Or if you want
Hmm.
to start classes also, you can start. If you want to once again demo also for Chandrasekhar,
So this
Monisha,
is not the
maybe
demo session.
this is demo only. But you joined in the ending
Uh,
after
yeah,
completing
yes,
you
yes.
joined.
What
Yeah.
time we can provide another demo session?
Are you in India only? India only,
Yeah,
right?
I'm in India. You can check with the others also. Yeah, yes, in India only.
Monisha, do you want demo again, or are you ready to start? Richa, Monisha, do you want demo or are you ready to start? Okay, I will inform Malti, okay, about next demo time. I don't have and I should
Okay.
not take your contacts as per the rules, consultant rules.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
So everything we have to communicate through Malti with the consultant.
Okay.
I will inform the demo time. Maybe any daytime okay for you? Or are you in working?
I don't know about others. As of now, I'm not working, but you'd like to know
So
which
for
sort
you,
of
any
time
daytime.
would be better. Yeah, but early morning I have another session which I have to attend. If you could just let me know if a few questions, okay? For data analysts, if Power BI, I learned Power BI as of now in SQL, will it be enough to get into the environment or get into the job profile as of now?
Yeah, I will teach from basics, not a problem. Power BI skill.
I'm just telling you, in the market, is it enough or will it require
That is
few
what
other
I told.
things?
That is what I told. People are asking multiple skills.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody is asking
Okay.
single Power BI or
Mm-hmm.
many things people are asking.
Okay. And so this is Power BI
People
from
are asking
Microsoft. What's update?
Power BI is
Screenshot.
Power BI screenshot. Can you speak again? It is not clear. Your voice, internet problem. Your voice is not understandable. Yeah. Can you ask again? Hello.
Chandrasekhar, I'll go ahead now. Okay. So Power BI is from Microsoft. Is there anything that is from Amazon itself, or it's only Power BI that is used vastly in the market?
Only Power BI and Tableau are leading.
Okay, for analysis.
For the visualization purpose, reporting and visualization, these two are the leading tools.
Okay. Before Power BI, was there anything else for data and visualization?
But now they are not in the market. Cognos was there.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
ClickSense is there. They are. I think now there is no market for them.
Cognos is from Microsoft or like it's from
No,
the same profile?
some other
Okay.
company. From Microsoft. Microsoft. The world visualization tool is SSRS.
SSRS.
Microsoft's old version is called SSRS.
Okay. The
That
another
is
thing which you told is click screen.
Six Sense. All those things are gone now.
Okay.
Okay. Don't have any questions or whoever wanted to leave, you can leave, and we will start the classes. Okay, I will send the meeting link for regular classes. Chandrasekhar has some question. So if others don't want, you can leave. We will meet in the classes. Okay. Whoever wanted to leave can leave. Yeah,
So
tell
you're
me.
going to start regular classes from Tuesday, right?
Yeah, that Malti will confirm you.
Okay,
Mostly
okay,
Tuesday. Mostly Tuesday or
okay.
tomorrow. Tomorrow, if you want, also we can start.
Tomorrow cannot.
Chandrasekhar.
So,
Mhm. Yeah. Okay, na? Okay, Chandrasekhar.
Yeah, Chandrasekhar, can you take us through what all you are going to cover in this Power BI course? In this, but as of now, what you have scheduled?
I already told, right? Power BI 40 days,
Mm-hmm.
and I have a PDF file. Please ask
Okay.
Malati about PDF. 5.5 weeks. 5.5 weeks. This is the course contents. So you can take from Malati. This one.
Um,
So our introduction, different charts,
right, sir.
formatting, types of groups, bins, hierarchies, connecting to different data sources, databases, files, different types of filters, slicers, Power Query editing features, merging, appending,
Our
parameters,
query editing features means like, is it like, uh, what is it? Power query?
editing the data.
Okay.
Yeah, just now we saw examples also.
Mhm.
So without just by clicking menu options, you can do editing. And we have DAX calculations, DAX functions, DAX formulas functions you have to write. But Power Query editing, no need to write anything. Just by clicking menu, you can do that. So most important work is in Power BI. Most important work is DAX related work. DAX calculations.
Okay.
Project Power BI project means mainly you have to do the DAX calculations. As I told examples, EMI calculation, interest calculation. Okay,
So,
compound compound interest, simple interest, all those things. And getting data from multiple sources, connecting multiple sources, creating relations, data models, and publishing, sharing, creating dashboards, data
if you could
warehousing.
let us, okay, if you could let us know
Uh,
how the working environment would be like, if daily we would have to uh, do this visualization for different projects, or only development would be there in a Power BI profile.
yeah, we will do small project in the end of the course. Daily class will be practical class, practical hands-on class. And the end of the, so after completing all practical topics, we will do a project.
No, no, not this one, Chandrasekhar. Like, if
Your
suppose I
voice,
am joining as,
your voice is not clear. Can you speak clearly?
now is it fine?
No.
Hello?
Yeah, again, but you try again, ask me again.
There is actually a lot of
Hello?
background noise.
Okay, one second. So in a profile, Power BI developer, what does he do in a daily task in the job profile? Now is it fine?
Requirements, starting from requirements. See, all these things, understanding the requirements,
Okay.
analyzing the requirements, creating the, identifying the tables, creating the
Okay.
data, editing the data, loading the data,
Mhm.
creating the relations, data models, DAX calculations. First starting activity is requirements analysis. From that,
Okay.
all these steps you have to do.
Mhm.
Understanding the data, okay, creating the tables, creating the data, understanding the data, all those things.
Okay.
Okay. So we will cover all project activities right from the understanding the requirements. Clear?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. We'll meet in the regular class. So 8:15 we will meet. Okay, Chandrasekhar?
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chandrasekhar.
Welcome.